Good morning everyone. Today is an exciting day. Welcome to another video. I don't normally do like flight review or flight report, but I guess you guys like it because you guys have been asking me to do it. So yeah, today I'm gonna bring you guys along on this Etihad flight. We're gonna fly Etihad, right?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
We're going to Abu Dhabi first for transit. It takes about 7 hours, and then after that we will continue to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Yay! So total we will be traveling for about 20 plus hours including the transit. Yeah, and actually right now it's Ramadan.
Yes, it's Ramadan. I mean, we have the privilege not to fast as a traveler, but we are still going to fast because it's technically shorter compared to fasting in London. So yeah, we're gonna try.
Yeah. And today we are actually in Heathrow Terminal 4, which is quite beautiful, and usually all the major carriers fly from here like Malaysia Airlines, Etihad, Qatar. The check-in was quite smooth. Our baggage is not overweight, but that's
yeah,
good.
but they are quite strict in terms of weight. So this one, I had it for 9 kg, and that's because of my laptop actually. So I took it off, then it became around 8 kg. The limit is actually 7.
So
yeah.
Make sure you weigh your cabin luggage as well. And yeah, but the lady was so nice. She's very friendly and she talked to us. She asked us a lot of questions. Like, yeah, I guess it's common for Londoners to be so friendly, which is why we chose to live here.
But I'm not happy with the fact that their baggage allowance is only 23 kilograms
For check-in.
For check-in, yeah, compared to Malaysian Airlines or maybe
Emirates 32
so like
kilo.
32 kilo, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the only boo for
yeah, I was
Etihad.
surprised after we booked.
We're still quite early. We're about 3 hours early to the flight. So yeah.
It's because of him. I don't like.
Time lapse time. Thank you. So we're in the flight now. Boarding was pretty quick, surprisingly. Quite quick, right? Yeah, despite economy class, I guess it's because A380 is really big. We're in A380 right now. And what's in the seat pocket, Amalia?
Is this snack? Are they selling snack or?
Yeah, it seems that way. Okay, so that's the safety instruction card.
There is also Wi-Fi. Free.
And some mobile services
no.
as well.
It's not free. It's okay. There is a price.
It's not free. And then some magazines. And I like the fact that they have these additional 2 pockets here for your passport.
See that? It's a big.
Woo!
It looks like a game console. So
Yeah.
that's good.
Ah, that's interesting.
And probably you can touch it. There's USB.
There's
What is
USB.
this?
That's for your headphones.
Oh, I didn't bring my cable.
the
And
cable.
there is
There's an additional plug for you to charge your phone or your laptop.
for your code.
Yeah, for your code. And that's the cup holder. And oh yeah guys, leg space is pretty good as well. This is me fully stretched and still quite a bit of space. Lots of room underneath that as well. Nice, spacious. As soon as the plane started taxiing, we were then able to access the entertainment system. There is a huge variety of movies to choose from, along with TV shows, and there is also a live TV on board, so you can catch up on your favorite live sports or news while flying. Oh, and the remote can also be used as your gaming device while you continue watching your favorite show on the bigger screen. And now is the takeoff time! There's a lot of cameras because this is the A380, so you can see all the action while the plane is flying. I also like the fact that Etihad is very Muslim friendly. You can get information about when the next prayer will be, as well as the Qibla direction from the infotainment system, so you won't miss a prayer. For Iftar, the flight stewardess gave us an Iftar bag, which consists of a bottle of water, bread, dates, banana and laban. Very nice, and she also made tea for us even though the plane was already landing. First stop, Abu Dhabi, and we can really feel the heat right now. Like, it's so hot. Oh my god. What a change from London's weather. So yeah, we're gonna transit here for 2 hours. Probably we're gonna get some food or something.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see because we need to get to Terminal 1 and Gate 4. So yeah, transfer time. This one? Nice, right?
Nice.
Oh, got McDonald's.
Can I have the pounder a la carte? That's a la carte. How about you?
Yeah, and can I get the chicken McNuggets meal?
Size large?
Okay. Size medium. It's slightly more expensive than London prices. All of these for 52 dirham, which is about 13 pounds probably, for 2 sets of meals.
No, one a la carte.
So this is just one set of chicken McNuggets and one a la carte quarter pounder with cheese. And that's about 13 pounds. Quite expensive.
Slightest mattress or cigarettes is not allowed anywhere on board, including the toilets. Thank you.
So here we go again, another flight. Well, just now the flight was A380, this is gonna be 787 Dreamliner. Not much difference to be honest, the seat pocket is about the same stuff. And there's this additional ingenious pockets as well. It's just that the leg room is slightly smaller, see? But comfortable nonetheless. Time to go! What do you have again?
We have 3 options for tonight.
Yeah.
We have the vegetarian penne pasta,
Yeah.
we have lamb with rice, and we have the chicken with rice as well.
Chicken with rice, please. Thank you.
Will there be any other food later before Suhoor? Actually, no, before Suhoor, no. This is the main. This is the main one before Suhoor. And just 1 hour before lunch, we'll be serving like a cafe quick service.
Okay.
Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Are you intending fasting tomorrow?
Yeah.
So this one will be like the last meal.
Okay,
Anyway,
yeah.
we will be announcing shortly, like
Okay.
through the BI. What time is that? You need to stop.
Yeah, this is something we find strange with Etihad, as they only serve only 1 meal in a 7-hour flight. The meals are also pretty mediocre as it's missing appetizers, desserts, and the bread doesn't even come with butter. You can have a much better meal in other airlines, AirAsia included. Thank you! Bye. Thank you, terima kasih. Okay. Funny story, I already took the Aero train with Amalia all the way back to the arrivals terminal, and then I remember I forgot my chocolates in the train. I mean, not in the train, in the airplane. So I ran all the way back to try to get the chocolates, but I couldn't remember where the gate is because this plane is not flying anywhere today, so there's no information about Abu Dhabi flight. And then I had to go back to my footage and see which exact wing I should go to from this middle part here, because this is quite confusing. And I found it. It's still there. I found the gate because I can recognize the Lonely Planet wall, which is that wall. Yeah. And got it back. Oh man, what a journey. we're back, showered, fresh. It's been a long journey. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this really long vlog. If you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the vlog, give it a thumbs down. Hope you benefited from this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget me.